For the moment, I think the construction industry is at a pivot point. We have to choose between two directions. For the moment, I think we have a big problem on productivity. We have a big problem on competition worldwide, and it's going to be very hard to find different solutions. For example, in prefabrication, if we're going to split the European market into different segmentations, different countries, different regions, we will never be able to compete on a worldwide level with other big powers. So the solution for me is very important that we concentrate our ideas, like with Airbus, where we concentrated European knowledge, European creativity in one company, and it became a big success. We have to concentrate it perhaps in 4 or 5 different concrete valleys, like Silicon Valleys, where you have all the prefabrication competence in one region, one area, so that we really can compete on a worldwide level.